Welcome back to grammar class simple past. So the format of simple past is subject plus verb to plus object. If the subject is I, we, you, they, he, she, it and singular or plural names, the verb we are using only the verb to plus object. Okay. So what we have learned in our simple present, do not forget to learn the format. Do not forget to learn the format. Simple present, the format is subject plus verb 1 S or ES form or base form plus object. S or ES form we are using for he, she, it and singular names. In simple present I am telling. Simple present S or ES is using for what? S or ES is using for he, she, it and singular names, and base form, simple present base form used for I, we, you, they and plural names. So simple present format is subject plus verb 1 plus, that means S or ES or base form plus object. Here simple past, the format is subject plus verb 2 plus object, and the subject will be whatever the subject will be, the verb 2 will be the we are using. We are using verb 2. Here the some verbs are here. The walk, the verb 2 is walked. Write, verb 2 is wrote. Verb 1 is go, verb 2 is went. And come, came, look, looked, catch, caught. So there are many V1, V2 and V3 forms. You have to try and study it very well and write at least 25 V1, V2, V3 forms in your notebook. Here we can say that simple past, the format is subject plus verb 2 plus object. So the verb is walked. How can we write? I walked to school, she walked to school, he walked to school, they walked to school. The kids. Kids are plural form. The kids walked to school. Tanya is a singular name. Tanya walked to school. We walked to school and you walked to school. There are only one form, verb 2 only we are using, and this is very important tense that we are using in our daily life. I went to school yesterday or something like that. So you had to learn first the verb 2 forms of the verb 1. Okay, many verbs are there or action words will be there that you have to study very well. Then, and do not forget to learn the simple present format and the simple past format. It is very much important. Now just try it out. Simple past tense worksheet. Try it and send to my phone number personally. Just try it out. So simple past can be used these ways to talk about an action that has already happened. Mom washed our car this morning. Dad cooked a pot of superb biryani last night. So last night or whatever it is that is happened, already happened, that we are using with the simple past. We played in the garden to talk about a period of time which started and ended in the past. We played in the garden in the afternoon. So we have already played and it was in the afternoon. Now it is the time is night. Two birds built their nest in a tree in the garden last week. Okay, last week only the two birds built their nest. Next one, that to talk about habits in the past. Not now, it was there in the past. The habits was in the past. The habits were in the past. My sister danced well late when she was younger. When she was younger. Now she is grew old. Okay, now she is not doing or may not doing, but it was already there. It was the habit. My sister danced well late when she was younger. Next one, I played tennis for the state. Now he is not playing for the state. He is not playing tennis for the state, but he played once. So we are using past, simple past in these three ways to talk about an action that has already happened, to talk about a period of time, and to talk about habits in the past.